Hello friends, in this video we will learn about sp3 hybridization. First of all, what is hybridization? In general terms, hybridization means mixing of something to get something better, and the better we are getting, it is said to be hybrid. So in the similar manner, in chemistry also, hybridization is a process in which orbitals of an atom which has less difference in their energy combines or overlap to form hybrid orbital of same energy and shape. The term here, what is important is only those orbital will overlap which has less difference in their energy, and the hybrid orbitals which we are getting will have same energy and same shape. So in today's lecture we will discuss about sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, one s px, one py, and one pz. Let me write py. Will combine to give 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. These are my 4 sp3 hybrids orbital. I don't know what the exact shape of sp3 hybrid orbitals, but I'm assuming that they are of similar shape and similar energy. So your number of orbitals which are combining will be equal to the number of hybrid orbitals. So your 4 orbitals are combining 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of hybrid orbitals which are obtaining are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us understand sp3 hybridization by taking some few examples. First is methane, CH4. Here the central atom is carbon. Its atomic number is 6. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Its box diagram is 2 electrons in 1s, 2 electrons in 2s, and 1 electron in each. After getting some kind of energy, it becomes excited. So 1 electron of 2s will jump into 2p orbital. So now this 2s orbital and this 3p orbital will combine or overlap to get 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So CH4 molecule will be somewhat one of hydrogen each. Here we can say hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So we'll get a CH4 molecule. The shape of the molecule is tetrahedral, as the central atom has 0 lone pair of electrons. Bond angle will be ordinary tetrahedral bond angle, which is 109 degree 28 minute. The second example is NH3. Here nitrogen is the central atom, so nitrogen atomic number is 7. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p3. Its box diagram is 2 electron in 2s, 1s, 2 electron in 2s, and 1 electron in 2p each. So here 2s orbital and 3p orbital will overlap or combine to give 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So the structure of NS3 will be one, one. Sorry, this will be two. One electron, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Shape will be trigonal, pyramidal. Why trigonal pyramidal? Because here we can see that central atom, nitrogen, it is having one lone pair of electron. One lone pair of electron. And bond angle will be equal to 107 degree, which is less as compared to the ordinary bond angle of tetrahedral, that is 109 degree 28. Why it is less? Because as nitrogen having one lone pair of electron, there will be repulsion between the lone pair and the bond, so the bond angle will decrease. Third example we will see is water, H2. Here central atom is oxygen, so oxygen atomic number is 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Its box diagram 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 2 electrons in 1s, 2 electron in 2s. First 1 electron each, then pairing. So here again one 2s orbital and 3p orbital will combine to give 4 sp3 hybrid orbital, and H2O bonding will be hydrogen bonding. Shape, it is having a band shape because we can see that it is having two lone pairs of electron. Bond angle will be 104.5 degree. So it is less as compared to the ordinary tetrahedral bond angle. Why? Because here it is even less than 107 degree. Why? Because here it is having two lone pairs of electron, and due to repulsion, more repulsion, the bond angle has decreased. Now let us see the shape and the bond angle, how you define the bond angle. For methane, it is somewhat like tetrahedron. I'm not good at drawing, still trying. So the bond angle which I said 109 degree, it is this one, HCH bond angle. Similarly in nitrogen, it is having one lone pair of electron, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So this is the bond angle 107 degree, which is HNH. Same way water, two lone pairs of electrons, and this is the bond angle, which is HOH. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, then please write in the comment section and I will try to solve your doubts. Thank you. If you find this video useful, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates.